Good afternoon to all. See this my profile. Myself is Jaimin Sanghani. Uh, Qualification pursuing PhD in the area of wireless communication. Today, basically, I want to discuss the topic related to the basic electronics, chapter number 2, common emitter configuration. Common emitter configuration. And in this, I want to discuss first of all common emitter configuration, and then I will discuss the characteristics related to the common emitter configuration of the transistor. Common emitter character input and output characteristics. So in this particular session, first I discuss the fundamental configuration of the common emitter configuration. Remember that point in common emitter configuration, what happens? In common emitter configuration, remember that point, emitter is common between the base as well as collector. Now see this. If you able to see this particular point, now see this in common emitter configuration, emitter is common. In common emitter configuration, emitter is common between the base and collector. Now see, now see that I want to discuss that point. In common emitter configuration, see this, I just want to show you here. See, this is the say, see this, here it is known as the collector, here it is known as the base, here it is known as base, and here it is known as emitter. See this very carefully, here it is known as emitter, here it is known as base, here it is known as collector. See this is known as the common emitter configuration. See, this is known as the resistor, which is known as RB. Here, whatever battery that is connected, which is known as the VBB. See this. Now see, emitter is common. Remember that point. One point in transistor. What is the NPN transistor operation? Base emitter junction are present in the forward bias, and collector base junction are present in the reverse bias. But here see this, here emitter is common between the base and collector. Why? Because configuration is emitter. So please try to see that particular point. Please try to see that particular point. Whatever transfer, whatever transfer that can be present between the, whatever transfer that can be present between the collector and base, if that can be present via, that can be present via emitter, that can be present via emitter. See, this is known as RC register. See, this is known as RC register, and here it is known as, see this, here it is known as VCC. See this, here VCC, and here which is known as, see this, see this. Emitter is common between base and collector. See here very carefully, emitter is common between base and collector. Why? Because here common emitter configuration. In normal transistor operation, remember that point, in normal transistor operation, uh, base, collector base junction are present in the reverse bias. But whatever operation here that can be present, it includes via emitter. So now see, whatever electron, assume that this is the 50 electron, assume that this is the 50 electron, this electron that can be transferred via emitter. See this is known as emitter. See, this is known as emitter. This electron that can be transferred via emitter. This electron transfer into emitter, and then it transfer to the base. See, this is known as the base. In base, minority charge carrier and majority charge carrier, electron and hole respectively present. So see this here collector. Whatever electron that can be transferred, it can be transferred via emitter. So emitter emits each individual electron. Assume that here 100 electron is present, 150, 100 electron is present, but at this particular point, here if 100 electron, then here at this particular point, obviously more than 100 electron is present. Why? Because emitter emits its electron. Remember that point. Emitter emits its electron. That's why whatever electron that can be present with reference to this electron, large number of electron that can be present here also. Large number of electrons that can be present, then this electron, some of the electron that can be combined with hole, whatever present here. So it is known as the emitter base connection. It is known as the emitter base connection. That's why whatever current that can be flowed due to the repel attraction of hole and electron, it is known as the base current. It is known as the base current. And now this whatever remaining electron that can be traveled towards the collector, that can be traveled towards the collector. Remember that point. If recombination is done, if recombination is done, then this circuit that can be considered as an open circuit. A base emitter junction ni circuit open circuit થઈ જશે if maximum current that can be flow. Remember that point. So remaining electron that can be traveled towards the collector. Remaining electron that can be traveled towards the collector. એટલે for common emitter configuration, so for common emitter configuration, input current is IB. So for common emitter configuration, input current is IB. એટલે for common emitter configuration, please remember that point. For common emitter configuration, input current equal to IB and output current equal to IC. Input current equal to IB and output current equal to IC. And for common base configuration, for common base configuration, input current equal to IE and output current equal to IC. See this is known as the common base configuration. See this is known as the common base configuration. See this is known as the common emitter configuration. Please see this point very carefully. That's why, again repeat, there is no physical connection present between the collector and base externally. See this here very carefully. Collector and base external connection is not practically possible. Why? Because emitter is common. Please try to understand this point. That's why all the electrons that can be transferred via base and then transfer into collector. See this particular point very carefully. At this point, more than 50, 150, 200, 300, 500 electron is present. Why? Because emitter emits its individual electron. Emitter emits its individual electron. That's why. See this point very carefully. See this point very carefully. Electron that can be present from the VCC that can be transferred via emitter, then base, and then travel towards the collector. So it is the configuration related to the common emitter configuration of the transistor. So it is known as the common emitter configuration of the transistor. So please see this point very carefully. So, and this electron that can be transferred here, and see this here. See this here, which is known as the collector electron, which is known as the collector current. Due to this electron, whatever current is flow, which is known as the collector current. And see here very carefully. See here very carefully. It is known as the collector current IC. It is known as the collector current IC. See this electron direction current and supply current both are opposite. Electron direction current and supply current both are opposite. See this very carefully. Here whatever current that can be flow, that is flow due to the electron. And here whatever current that can be flow, that is due to the positive charge. Both are same concept, but it is here due to the flow of electron. And remember that point, if electron that can be flow like that, then definitely current that can be flow like that. Okay, so it is the configuration related to the common emitter configuration. It is known as the common emitter configuration. It is the entire explanation related to the common emitter and configuration. See this, due to the common emitter, here whatever notation it is known as VBB. Here notation which is known as RB, here VCC, and here RC. Due to emitter is common. Here it is known as input side and here it is known as output side. So now see, I want to read this particular, I want to read this particular question from this material. So for purpose of amplification, base emitter junction connected in forward bias. So majority electron flow in the entire circuit. See this, majority electron that can be flow in the entire circuit. See this, how majority electron that can be flow. So now maximum current flow. Now we want to measure, just wait. Now we want to measure, see this, majority electron flow in the entire circuit. So emitter current flow in the entire circuit. So now maximum current flow. So now we want to measure output in IE. Now we want to measure output in IE. See this. Due to base emitter junction connected in forward bias, majority current that can be flow in the circuit. Show in the figure. See this particular figure. See this notation gives here like that particular way. So more number of electrons that can be injected in the emitter. See this here. Due to this also and due to this VCC battery also, more number of electrons that can be enter. આ બે બેટરીના લીધે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વધારે એન્ટર થાય છે, સિમ્પલી સેઇંગ ગુજરાતી. તો હવે તો for output IC collector current, collector based junction required in the reverse bias. So see in the common emitter configuration, base is not externally connected with collector. Base is not externally connected with collector. See this. See this is base. See this is known as base. See this is known as collector. Base is not externally connected. Remember that point, base is not externally connected. Remember that point. See this is emitter. See this is base. See this is collector. Base is not externally connected, so whatever electron transfer that can be transferred via emitter. Whatever electron that can be transferred, that is transfer via emitter. So for output current, collector base junction required in the reverse bias. So see in common emitter configuration, base is not externally connected with collector. Collector and base are connected through emitter. Collector and base are connected through emitter. So negative terminal of VCC that can be directly connected to the emitter instead of base. I explain this point again. See this negative terminal that is directly connected to the emitter instead of base. Why? Because common emitter configuration. Only remember one point. Collector and base are connected through emitter, so negative terminal of VCC that can be directly connected to the emitter instead of base. So all electron from battery that are transferred via emitter, so there is no drastically change in the emitter current. So all electron from battery that are transferred via emitter, so there is no drastically change in the emitter current. More heavily electron present in the base. One of the assumption kept base emitter kept open because maximum voltage present due to the forward bias. So now whatever electron hole recombination that is transfer in electron, and this recombination is responsible for generation of base current. So now this electron transfer in the collector. Whatever electron hole recombination present that is transfer in the collector, and this recombination is responsible for the base current, generation of base current. So IC directly proportional to IB. IC is directly proportional to IB. See this very carefully. So now derivation of collector current, IE equal to IB plus IC, fundamental equation of current. Now IC equal to alpha time IE plus ICBO. See this very carefully. IC equal to alpha time IE plus ICBO. See, this is the equation of collector current for common base configuration. During the online lecture of VEP, I already discussed this equation. So now IE equal to IB plus IC. IE equal to IB plus IC. So put the value of IE equal to IB plus IC. So here ICVO. So here bracket IC bracket ma 1 minus alpha equal to alpha time IE plus ICVO. So alpha upon 1 minus alpha, which is known as beta. Alpha upon 1 minus alpha and ICEO equal to ICBO upon 1 minus alpha. Now see, what is the meaning of ICBO? It is known as the leakage current. It is known as the leakage current. And what is the meaning of beta? Beta means what? Current gain. Current gain means what? Output current divided by input current. So IC divided by IB. So it is known as beta. So leakage current that can be flow in the reverse bias. Leakage current that can be flow in the reverse bias. And what is the meaning of ICEO? What is the meaning of ICEO? See this that I want to explain here with the help of figure. What is the meaning of ICEO? And what is the difference between ICBO and ICEO? See this here very carefully. Difference between, see this difference between, I write here, difference between ICBO and ICEO. Difference between ICBO and ICEO. First of all, I explain ICBO. ICBO means what? Leakage current that can be present in the reverse bias. Leakage current present in reverse bias. Leakage current that can be present in the reverse bias. See this, I want to explain here this point. Leakage current that is included in the reverse bias. See, this is known as the N. Now see, this is known as the P. See, this is known as N. Now, what is the meaning of leakage current that I want to explain here? Leakage current means what? That I want to explain here. See this. Leakage current that can be flow under the reverse bias. See, this is the positive charge, here negative charge. It is known as the barrier potential. It is known as the barrier potential. Now see, here it is known as majority charge carrier. Here it is known as electron. Here it is known as the emitter. See, here it is known as emitter. Here it is known as collector. So now see this. What is the meaning of uh, leakage current that can be flow under the reverse bias? First of all, so whatever electron that can be present in here in the p-type semiconductor and whatever hole that can be present here, remember that point. Leakage current means what? First of all, it is due to flow due to the minority charge carrier. Leakage current that can be flow due to the minority charge carrier. First point is that. Remember that point. Leakage current that can be flow due to the minority charge carrier. So here, whatever whole electron that can be combined, it creates the current, which is known as the leakage current, and it can be flows like that. ICBO. Remember that point. Leakage current that can be flow under the reverse bias from collector to base with emitter open. Now see, this is known as ICBO. Obviously, value of this is low. Value of this is low. Why? Because minority charge carrier is less present in the p-type semiconductor. p-type ની width જ ઓછી છે તો minority charge carrier obviously ઓછો હશે. તો જે minority charge carrier ઓછો હશે એના લીધે શું થશે? આનું કોમ્બિનેશન થશે નહીં, એટલે લીકેજ કરંટ ઓછો હશે. પણ કોમન એમિટરમાં એવું નહીં છે. કોમન એમિટરમાં whatever electron that is transferred via emitter. એટલે જ કોમન બેઝનો કલેક્ટર કરંટ અને કોમન એમિટરનો કલેક્ટર કરંટ. If you compare both, then value of collector current is high in the common emitter configuration. Common emitter માં collector current ની value high હશે compared to common base. Remember that point. Please try to keep in mind. અહીંયા તમને આ વસ્તુ યાદ રહી જવી જોઈએ મગજમાં. Common emitter માં જ collector current વધારે હશે. Why? Because all the electrons that can be transferred via emitter. Remember that point. I sketch the figure here. See this. See this. This is known as ammeter. See this. This is known as ammeter. See this. This is known as base. And see this. This is known as collector. Okay. So now see what is the meaning of leakage current. Here it is known as the VBB battery. Here battery which is known as the VBB, and see here whatever battery is present, here RC register, see this, here VCC, and here it is connected with ground. Now see, whatever electron that can be transferred, again repeat, both electrons that can be combined here, forward bias electron and reverse bias. But see this, here minority charge carrier hole present. This hole that can be combined with this particular electron. Base માં minority charge carrier, emitter ના minority charge carrier એકબીજા સાથે combine થાય. અને અહીંયા જે કોમ્બિનેશન થઈને જે કરંટ ફ્લો થાય ઈ કરંટ પાછો કલેક્ટરમાં જાય, કલેક્ટરના હોલ સાથે કમ્બાઈન થાય. તો જે કલેક્ટરના હોલ સાથે કમ્બાઈન થાય, કલેક્ટરના હોલ સાથે જે કમ્બાઈન થાય, કારણ કે કલેક્ટરમાં માઇનોરિટી ચાર્જ કેરિયર તરીકે શું હશે? હોલ. સમજો કોમન બેઝમાં જે લીકેજ કરંટ ફ્લો થતો હતો એ અહીંથી આમાં જ થતો હતો. સી ધીસ એન્ટાયર પ્રોસેસ, I explain this process. See this. આટલામાં જ જ્યારે અહીંયા શું થાય છે, કોમન એમિટરમાં આ ઇન્ક્લુડ થાય છે. આ ઇન્ક્લુડ થાય છે એટલે આ પોતાના ઇલેક્ટ્રોનને ઇમિટ કરશે, પોતાના ઇલેક્ટ્રોનને ઇમિટ કરશે એટલે હવે જે લીકેજ કરંટ ફ્લો થશે એ ઓબ્વિયસલી વધારે થશે. અહીંના જે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન, અહીંના હોલ અને અહીંના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન કમ્બાઈન થયા અને ઈ પાછા અહીંયા ગયા એટલે આ પોતાના એડિશનલ હોલ એડ કરે છે ને, એટલે ICEO is very greater than compared to ICBO. And IC for common emitter configuration is always large compared to common base. એમાં એવું જ થાય, ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પોતાના એમિટરના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન એમિટ કરે, ઈ બેઝમાં જાય, ઈ પાછા કલેક્ટરમાં જાય. એટલે કોમન એમિટરમાં કલેક્ટર કરંટ વધારે હશે કમ્પેર ટુ કોમન બેઝ. એટલે કોમન એમિટરમાં બધી વસ્તુ વધારે હશે, એટલે જ વ્યવહારમાં રિયલ ટાઈમ એપ્લિકેશનમાં કોમન એમિટરનો પરિપથ યુઝ થાય છે, કોમન બેઝ એટલું બધું યુઝ થતું નથી. પ્રી એમ્પ્લીફાયર તરીકે ચાલે, પણ રિયલ ટાઈમ એપ્લિકેશન ફોર ધ પર્પસ ઓફ એમ્પ્લિફિકેશન at that time compulsory common emitter is used. Remember that point. Okay, so is it clear this point clearly to all? So please try to understand. Again repeat, for the common emitter configuration collector current is large compared to common base. Leakage current is always large compared to common base. Please try to understand why. Because whatever electron is transferred, whatever charge carrier is transferred, that is transferred via emitter. Whatever charge carrier is transferred, it transfer via emitter. So please try to understand this point very clearly. Okay, so ICEO, it is always large compared to ICBO. See this. So whatever electron emitted by emitter, see this meaning of beta and ICEO. Beta, it is known as the current gain, which is always greater than 1. So whatever electron emitted by VCC, then it is transferred via emitter, and electron pass from emitter and then transfer this entire electron in the collector. So while transfer this electron to collector to emitter and adds its own electron, emitter adds its own electron. So base electron is increased and this entire electron that can be moved towards the collector, entire electron that can be moved towards the collector. So however emitter current is common, so input current is IB and output current is IC. So IC equal to beta time IB, beta greater than 1. So collector and base not externally connected with each other. So every electron transfer via emitter. Every electron transfer via emitter. So emitter add its own electron. So large current is flow compared to common base. See this. Large current is flow compared to common base. And ICEO. Reverse bias leakage current in the common emitter configuration always high compared to common base. So now whatever leakage current flow in the circuit, that is transfer via emitter. So emitter add extra holes that is combined with electron present in the base. See this I explain here. This extra hole combined with the base, and this base electron that can be combined into the collector. See this. So more leakage current flow in the entire circuit compared to common base. So collector current is more large compared to due to the fact collector base not externally connected. Collector current is large due to the fact collector base junction not connected externally with each other. It can be connected via emitter. See this. It can be connected via emitter. So emitter add its extra electron. So these electron transfer into the emitter. So emitter add its extra electron. So collector current is developed due to the emitter current is flow. See this. So see this IC is very large compared to common base configuration. Beta greater than 1, IC greater than IE. See this. And now see this is the symbolic representation. If in exam GTU exam is question asked like that, draw the common emitter configuration. If question asked like that, draw the common emitter configuration of transistor. Draw the common emitter configuration of transistor. At that time, sketch this diagram. RB resistor, IB, IE, output RC, IC. See this IE equal to IB plus IC. Apply KVL to the input loop. Summation of potential rise equal to summation of potential drop. VBB equal to IBRB plus VBE. See this, this is the input loop. Input voltage VBB, IBRB, IBRB plus VBE. See this is base, see this is emitter. VBE voltage drop. So input loop and VCC equal to ICRC plus VCB, it is known as the output loop. So this is the loop equation related to the common emitter configuration. VBB equal to IBRB plus VBE and VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. It is known as the input loop and it is known as the output loop. See, it is the loop equation related to the input and output. Is it clear this point? If any query, then please note down my number 94295 Ask me anytime 24/7. Okay? Thank you very much. Bharat Mata ki jai. Vande Mataram. Thank you.